Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool mini right here, and basically what these are some AirTag case. So I actually did an unboxing video in the past for all three of these right here, but I didn't get the AirTags yet. But now I actually got the AirTags, so I can actually show you guys what each one looks like. So I'm actually open up each one of these and show you guys what the product looks like when you guys put it on. So we're gonna take out the purple one right here first. And basically the way how you guys put it in is actually very simple. Since it is a silicone material, it should be pretty easy to actually put it inside. Alright. So once you guys put it inside, this actually looks right here. If you can see, it definitely has a pretty good secure fit on here. And it definitely looks pretty nice, especially with the little symbol or customization that I have on here. So once you guys set this up, you can definitely put it onto your wallet, your keys, or whatever. And that way you guys know where exactly everything is using the AirTag option. Now let's take out the leather one and show you guys what that looks like as well. So when you guys take this out, it's really easy to actually take it out. Just go like this. And when you guys put the leather one, it's a little bit different. So here are all the leather ones that we got right here. So we got a 4-pack, 4 different colors on here. And then basically for the silicone one right here, they have 4 different colors as well. But for the leather one right here, the way how you guys put it in, you guys want to open up this part right here. So once you guys open up this part right here, you basically want to slide it in just like this. Make sure it goes all the way in. Once it goes all the way in, you guys want to close this part right here, and it's all set. So this is basically what the product looks like when you guys put it on for the leather one right here. If you can see, it definitely gives you guys a pretty good secure fit on here. And it also has the protection on here as well on the side. And it definitely show you guys the actual logo in the front right here. And also show you guys the Apple logo in the back as well. So that is basically what this one looks like right here. Now let me actually show you guys the last one, which is from the Belkin brand. So when you guys take it out, you just want to slide it out and push it out really easily. Alright. So right here we have the one from the Belkin brand. So this one right here is a twist lock option. It also comes with a little keychain option as well. So the way how you guys set this up, you basically want to put it in first, and then you want to lock it in. Alright. So once you guys have it in, you basically want to just twist it and just lock it in. So this is basically what the product looks like on this side right here. If you guys flip on the other side, this actually looks like on this side right here. And if you guys want to put the keychain on top, you definitely can. But if you can see the way how they design it, it definitely gives you guys the protection on the side. But there's no protection in the middle part. So if you guys want to protect it, you probably want to put something on top right here. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys put on the one from the Belkin brand. So now that we actually put on the actual AirTags on all three of these different case options right here. So the silicone one, the leather case, and then this Belkin brand right here. I feel like all of them actually works really well. But I feel like if you guys want the one that's much more secure to actually hold it in place, you probably want to go for the Belkin brand. But if you guys want more like a luxury kind of look to it, you probably want to go for the leather case. But if you guys want one that is easy to actually put on, then you definitely want to go for the silicone option, because all you guys need to do is just slip it inside and it's all set, just like how I showed you guys earlier. But definitely once you guys put it in for each one of these right here, it is definitely pretty secure, and it also looks really cool as well if you can see when I actually put it on. But now that you're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for all three types of these cases right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. It just really depends on what you guys are looking for. Whether you guys want like the silicone option or the leather option or the option that we have right here from the Belkin brand. That is up to you guys at the end of the day. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't even want or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.